everyone, and thank you, Aparna. I want you all to think about the last time you sat at home eagerly awaiting the delivery of a package. The incredible amount of data that goes into ensuring that millions of packages are delivered across the globe on time each and every single day. The amount of information, whether it be shipping, handling, sourcing, supply chain, not to mention partner communications and customer service. It is not just a lot of data, it is lots of different kinds of data. Most business operations you deal with every day deal with an incredible amount of data across a variety of different sources and a variety of different formats. This is what Cloud Data Fusion is all about. Data Fusion can help you focus on customer insights and action versus coding and integration. It is a fully managed, cloud-native data integration service with a broad portfolio of open source transformations and many out-of-the-box connectors across a variety of different sources and many different formats. So let's take a look at an example of how Data Fusion can help the shipping company deliver a package right at your doorstep. All of your shipping data is in an on-prem system, and we want to move it to BigQuery to analyze and combine with other data. This is incredibly easy with Data Fusion. Here we've defined an on-prem connection and can see all the tables that are available. Let's select shipment details. Now, after selecting shipment details, we can see the shipping data in the table and decide what transformations we want to do. Let's pick a simple transformation to delete a column from the output. We can perform far more complex transformations, but we'll keep it simple for this demo. Next, let's create a pipeline. We're going to do either a batch or real time, but for the demo, we'll stick to batch. Now that we've created this pipeline, we need to define where we want to land our data. To load the data into BigQuery, all we have to do is drag and drop the BigQuery connector and connect it as an endpoint to our transformation step. That's it. With a few simple clicks, we've created a pipeline, and it's ready to be deployed and run. We're running this pipeline manually, but we can also schedule pipelines or have them triggered. If we head over to BigQuery now, we can see that our data set is loaded and it is ready to be analyzed. Again, you've seen in just a few simple clicks, we were able to create a pipeline to move the data without writing a single piece of code. Now, a quick reminder, enterprise organizations across the globe love to use BigQuery to perform analytics at scale. BigQuery lets you focus on insights versus spending the time on infrastructure and operations. It allows enterprises to leverage their existing BI tools and technologies such as Tableau, Qlik, not to mention our very own Looker and Google Data Studio. With our shipping data in BigQuery, we want to monitor operations and make quick decisions. Chances are that business analysts in your organization are spending a great deal of time in analyzing data to turn insights into action. That's why we announced BigQuery BI Engine. BI Engine is a native BigQuery accelerator that allows you to analyze and interact with your data with incredible scalability and security. BI Engine is available right now through Data Studio with other BI partners coming soon. So let's take a look at our shipping data in a Data Studio dashboard that's powered by BI Engine. As you can see on the dashboard, you see some key statistics, such as total revenue by country, by package size, the delivery delays by country on a map as well. If you take a close look at the map, you'll see that there's something going on with Brazil. Brazil is facing significant package delivery delays, even though the packages shipped from Brazil do not count towards that much of revenue. With each click, we're processing and visualizing millions of rows of data with sub-second response time. Let's take this example one step further. We have our data in BigQuery, and now we want to predict the routes that are problematic so we can make adjustments to ensure that our packages are delivered on time. As I mentioned earlier, BigQuery lets you store and analyze petabytes amount of data, and every company wants to understand this data and leverage it for machine learning, but do not necessarily have the ML experts to do so. This is why we announced AutoML Tables. AutoML Tables lets anybody who understands their data build state-of-the-art ML models with incredible speed and incredible scale without needing to code. So let's jump to AutoML Tables. We've connected to our BigQuery data set and can see the shipping data. On the right side, you see the fully loaded table schema in AutoML that's pulled in from BigQuery. On the left side, you can select the target column that contains the field you used to predict the data and also train your model. You don't need to be an ML expert or write SQL code or TensorFlow code. AutoML picks the right model for you. Let's move to the Predict tab now. To save time for the demo, we've already pre-trained our model, but once the model is trained, you can provide new data sets to this model by configuring the input fields. You can also feed the results of the predictions back into BigQuery for analysis and visualization. Let's have a look at our Data Studio dashboard once again. Now, we can truly enhance our BI with AI by enhancing our historical dashboard with predictive insights. The dashboard looks pretty familiar, but if you closely look at the map, you will see it shows expected delivery delays instead of historical delays. Now that we've solved some of the problems in Brazil with rerouting and construction, we can focus our efforts on where the delays will happen next, which in this case, as you see on the map, is Germany. So, in summary, a combination of Cloud Data Fusion, BigQuery BI Engine, and AutoML Table help the shipping company deliver a package on time at your doorstep. And this is just one example of how these tools and technologies can help you and your organization. With that, thank you, and back to Aparna.